Hi, mommies. This is Tanya, Noor's mom. So, today I'm going to show you how I have organized Noor's closet. So, I don't have a closet per se, I have a chest of drawers for Noor, and I would highly recommend a set of chest of drawers for all babies because their clothes are so tiny. It's very difficult to otherwise organize them in a normal cupboard or an almirah. So, buy a set of chest of drawers. It's a great investment, I feel, because all your baby's things can be organized into very neat compartments. So, let's have a look as to what each drawer has. So, this is the first drawer. So, here I have put all of the miscellaneous things. So, there are socks. So mostly all her socks are from Uniqlo. There are washcloths. There are some hand towels, and there are cloth bibs that I use to feed Noor. So these are again from Uniqlo, all the bibs, and these towels are from Dot Mom, and these are from multiple places, mostly from Parenting Done Right India. Now in the second drawer, what I've kept is her night suits and all her onesies. So all these are the ones without footies, and these are the ones with footies. So these two sets are from Mothercare, and mostly they are from H&M. So now I want to mention one point here, that in the first two drawers I've kept those things that remain constant irrespective of the season. So whether it be summer, winter, or whatever, I am anyways going to use the washcloths, the bibs, socks, and the night suits to remain the same throughout for me. So hence I have kept these first two drawers for these two particular items. Now in the drawer here, I have her sleep sacks. These are from H&M. Then here, so now this is all these on the right side are going to be my seasonal drawer. So this is the drawer that I'm going to be using the most, and this also gets interchanged the most. So right now, as the season is transitioning, Noor is wearing these. So these are nothing but onesies from Uniqlo, but these only come till her knee. So this is what I'm making her wear right now when the weather is transitioning from winters to summers. And these are rompers. So, and then I will move on to these. This is nothing but full sleeves rompers. So this is my seasonal drawer that keeps on changing, and this is the order that I move in. So I'm going to move first, make her wear these, then shift to these. I've already shifted to these on some days, and then finally I'll come to this. So this keeps on changing. When it will be winters, I will have fleece onesies here because that's what she's going to wear in the daytime. So this is basically my daytime drawer. So the drawer beneath this again has seasonal clothes. These are all her frocks and dresses. These are her bloomers. So all these bloomers are from Uniqlo. They are a very good material, breathable material. These dresses are from H&M and Mothercare. Here again I have some Mothercare onesies. So these are half sleeve onesies. And here I have some t-shirt and pant sets from H&M. Here in the last drawer, what do I have? Okay, so the last drawer I have bed sheets because they are used the least. I mean, they are changed in once in 2-3 weeks. So I have bed sheets here. Mostly they are from Rabbitat. I have a few from Mothercare also, and I have her accessories. These are her headbands from Parenting Done Right India. Then again at the bottom, I have her towels. So these are again all are from Dot Mom. This one is from Uka Baby. And this is the last drawer that I'm showing you. These are her bibs that I use on a daily basis. These are her silicone bibs. These are from Mother Care. These are some plastic bibs from Canada. A relative had got them. This is a full size apron bib that I had got from Parenting Done Right India. And I have a few more bibs here. This is again an apron bib from Parenting Done Right India. And there are full sized bibs. So mostly all my bibs are either from Parenting Done Right India or Amazon and Mother Care. So this is how I have organized Noor's closet, and all her clothes have fitted into these 8 drawers. Now you'll ask me that, as babies grow older, they outgrow their clothes so quickly, and what to do with those clothes. So I have been following a very simple practice. So as you see here, so I've made like little bags of clothes and have categorized them into age groups. So I keep on emptying her chest of drawers and putting them into these bags as the clothes don't fit her. So like this is for 0 to 3 months. This is again for 0 to 3 months. Summers. So I've also written some things like it has nappies and towels and mittens. This is 3 to 6 months summer. This is 3 to 6 month winters. This is just 6 months winters, peak winters. And what are these? These are some sweaters that were knitted by my mom, which are also bigger in size. So I can again open these up and see if they fit her when she is 18 months old. So all of these are now going to go inside my bed, and I'm going to put some Odonil or naphthalene balls so that they're safe. So if you're asking me why am I keeping these clothes, I have already donated a lot of clothes, and you can only see like half of the clothes that Noor had during these months. So I've categorized them in months for 2 reasons. One, if I have to give it to some relative who's having a baby, so I can give these to them, and it will be simpler for them to actually sort out clothes, because we tend to cut labels from clothes as we make our baby wear them. So it will be difficult later on to see which size is that onesie or cap of. And second is that I can, even if I have to donate it, it will be easier for me to give it away. And no, if you guys are thinking I'm going to have a second baby, please no, I'm not thinking about that, and that is not why I have categorized these clothes like this. This is just because I am an organized person and I have an OCD of just having everything at one place. So I've done it this way, so that it's easier for me also if I have to find something or give it to someone, like that. So this is all about Noor's chest of drawers, her cupboard. As simple as that. I'll just go through it again. These are all the hankies, washcloths, bibs, socks. These are her night suits, full sleeves onesies. These are her sleep sacks. These are her seasonal drawer, summer clothes, the clothes that she wears during the daytime. And so is this seasonal drawer, again daytime clothes, but will come after that drawer once it's more hot. On the left I have some bibs, the bottom left I have towels, and here on the right I have bed sheets. So this was all about Noor's closet. Please let me know what are your tips and tricks to store and organize your baby's clothes and not have them all over the place. So hope you like this video. Please share it as much as you can, and also keep writing, give me suggestions for videos. It really helps me. That's about it. Have a very nice day and take care. Bye bye.